What the hell?
The car must have just spun out because there would be another car, assuming.
Yeah, what the hell? Oh my god, what kind of car is that?
That was I think it was. I couldn't tell immediately.
Lambo?
I think it was a Lamborghini.
Good luck with that. Your kids are no longer going to college. I mean, actually, if you have a Lambo, I don't think that's an issue.
Could be rented. Could be rented. Could be leased. You go to LA, you could rent a Lamborghini for the day for like $200.
Wow.
Really hope that wasn't rented.
That guy was probably so happy coming to the store, like, yes!
Why was he walking in like that? Why was he like, doors out of my way, I'm walking
He's just seizing the day. He's seizing the wealth. He's had a good day. He woke up on the right side of the bed.
Madre mía! Madre mía! Madre mía!
Why? What did the bike do? Is it red? Is that why? No.
Oh my
Is the
god.
bike red? I can't tell for sure.
Can we see that again?
Why wouldn't he go after the wall?
What? I feel like you're just pissed.
Yeah,
I would be.
But
I
both
would
don't
be.
like red, so you'd think maybe it was aiming for the wall and the bike was just in the way, and it's just like, get out of my way, bike. Gotta hit this wall.
Dude, bikes are heavy, but then bulls are heavy. That's insane.
Dude, that's literally like.
Their utter strength.
It's like lifting things with its head. It's like if I just put my head and I just pushed this whole thing up and it went flying.
I feel like I have a big head. I feel like I have a Bratz doll head, so I feel like I can actually do it.
For a split second.
Oh my god.
For a split second, I was gonna be like, it's actually awesome. Just because it's from behind with the ponytail. I was like, that kind of looked funny.
Oh my god, short girl problems. Sometimes you have to reach the top.
I don't know. She might not have been that short.
She was literally tiptoeing, and I think she stepped on
the
something.
shelf. Yeah, she's like, but
I've done that.
Some of those shelves are really tall. Like, you gotta, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I used to work at Starbucks. I've done that. I've stepped on shelves to get stuff from the top. I'm 5'9". For some reason, they make shelves that are 12 feet tall that only NBA players could reach, yet for some reason, they're in every commercial building. Why?
I did this at H&M. I was trying to reach a hat, and I stepped on the shelf, and the shelf broke, and all the hats fell down, and it was right next to the cashier, and I was like... They thought I was cute though.
Well, then you're fine.
Oh shoot, oh shoot! Oh, what's going on?
Why is he going forward?
Oh, what was that? Why was it going back and then forth? It looked like it was sinking when it went back.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. I've been on a boat before, I've never driven a boat, so I'm not 100% sure. But it looked like it was sinking back. I know you're supposed to like reverse it and then, you know, put it, maybe he was reversing it and then when he reversed it, water got in the boat. I'm not really sure what happened. Maybe he was leaning to, I don't really know.
I feel like with that paint job, whatever he got, he deserved.
Yeah, like it looks like a Hot Wheels. Like, what are you doing, dude? Like,
yeah! Is that it? It didn't even get like barely off the boat. I think this is Dubai. Excited. Sorry.
Yeah, did it go in the water though? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Wait, did it fall into that
I think it fell in that little area there.
thing?
Yeah, so it's not as bad.
That's not that bad. They should just make waterproof drones. They know this is gonna happen.
I mean, they have GoPros, and you could probably put that on a drone.
True.
But the drone.
But they're so small, you can lose them so easily.
The drone probably stopped working when it hit the water, so the GoPro would still work. That's a sick bike. Dude.
Oh my god, he was so close to getting it through, like just flawlessly.
That's why I was like, what is the fail? Like I thought he was gonna walk through and the glass was gonna fall when he wasn't there. And I was gonna be like, it's not his fault necessarily, but that was fully his fault.
I always thought like those doors were like plexiglass. I didn't know they could just shatter like that.
Some of them are, yeah, some of them are just like thick glass, almost like this.
I was gonna touch it there. You baited me to touch it and
I almost touched it, and then I realized, nope.
That's crazy.
Oh no. That camera cost like 20 grand.
Why is he jumping like that? Oh my god. At least the camera didn't break. It was just that arm. It was just that arm thing.
The second I heard it snap, I actually reacted so like you'd think someone like shocked me or scared me from behind. The sound of that snapping actually.
That's many grands gone down the window there.
I'm not even a cinematographer, I'm an actor, but I know how precious the cameras are. It's literally like a child to them. So. What's going on here?
Is that sewage water? Is that shit water?
In a fountain?
Ugh. I'm getting a little gaggy just thinking about how that would smell.
This reminds me of the Bellagio in Vegas. You know, in the Bellagio when it shoots the water up?
No, I'm still trying to gag.
Yeah, that's what it reminded me of. That's gross.
Oh. I thought the fail was gonna be him breaking a bone, but it was just him breaking that.
But still, again, like what did he think was gonna happen? He thought he was gonna land perfectly in balance
Yeah.
on the two moving. Think about it.
No, he was gonna like pedal, wasn't he?
On it?
Yeah.
But which way?
God.
Sideways? That doesn't make sense to me. He's going against. It's like
No,
being on a
no.
log in the water that keeps rolling.
No,
It's
I think
not
he was
happen.
gonna jump onto the middle one and then jump onto the edge one, probably.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck.
Oh my god, how do you even get your car like that? Oh my god, I'm sorry, how did that other car land on it?
It's like parallel parking trying to like reverse.
Oh,
I guess he backed into him. But you'd have to go at like you'd have to go pretty quickly to get up on the car.
but also the car's so streamlined and smooth.
I get it, it's low, but still, if you really think about it, the bumper is not above the hood of the Ferrari.
I mean, I guess we don't have to think about the physics because it happened. However it
It would
happened,
have to happen
happened.
so quick that it like really used the momentum to get on top. That's what I'm saying. This person like slammed on reverse and then was like, oh, there's a car back there. Isn't there? It's like,
Didn't see it in its flaming red color.
Oh, there I go. There I go.
What are we looking at?
how did this even happen?
What is on fire?
That's like one of those little
Oh, the skateboardy thingies?
bullshit, you know, the kids are just
The
like,
space-
hi, what's up? Okay, bye now. And they just fly away. It's like, are you like an alien? Where'd you come from? Like, that's what that is. Like,
Oh my god, I got so scared once I was at Rexall getting some like tissue paper and stuff, and this guy just came with his groceries out of nowhere around the corner. I was like, what the hell?
I'm telling you, they act like it's like normal and they're above the law, but it's like, you guys are literally cyborgs. Like,
Yeah, I was like, why are you doing groceries on this?
weird. It's just weird.
Wow. Вылазь!
Oh no! What a slow death.
Титаник.
I think they were trying to get it out because he definitely wasn't in the car. I think he was trying to push it.
Wait, was he in the car or did he just push it in?
I'm gonna say they're trying to push it out. I'm gonna say it's probably like an old.
They definitely weren't trying to push it out. It looks like it's like beat up as hell. They were trying to get rid of it. 100%.
You think so? I think it looks like a.
Would you drive that, Jared?
No, I'm saying it looks like an older, like historical maybe. You know what I mean? Artifact,
Yeah.
something like that. They want to like maybe try to sell to a historian or something. That's what I was saying. Pull the car out of the water. Be like, this is from World War II. Give me 100 grand. Someone's dumb enough to believe it. They'd be like, here's 150.
And that's it for today's video, guys. I've been your host, Eamon Hassan.
I've been Jared Bronstein. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Stick around. We got some bloopers and comment features.
Bye.
I don't think we're filming anything.
What the even heck was that?
Guy's building a house next door.
He hasn't stopped.
Nice.
I finally saw
Got a
him.
lot of pent-up aggression, just fucking hitting everything he sees.
I finally saw him and I don't know if it exceeded my expectations or I don't really know.